Pretty active, right? Today's day 13. Our new Leib. We're so excited that you're in our life. We love you so much. You're so cute. We're really excited to be parents with you and your gift from Hashem. We've been praying for you.
Are you smiling?
We really want to be a parent to you, and we want to do our best to give you the right guidance and to help you in your life. We love you so much. We're always going to love you.
Yeah, we love
We
these
care about you
noises.
so much, and you're so adorable and sweet. Only 13 days old, and I can't wait to learn with you. Friday I was
Bless you. Another
Friday I
one?
was reading Gemara, learning Gemara, and holding you while I did that. And I can't wait to do it where I tell you the stuff. You're very special to me. And I
We
care
put
about
it
you
on
very
your
much.
head a minute. It's going to be like a cute hat. Come, let's put it on your head. It's going to be a funny hat.
Day 13.
This is Corona picture.
Our Corona picture. A cute baby.
You look very
He's adorable.
cute. Yeah,
We love you so much.
we love you.
You're a cute baby,
I think
right?
it's tickling him.
He's
Is
the
it
best.
tickling you?
And a happy baby.
Ah,
And a happy baby.
Baruch
Baruch Hashem.
Hashem.
We love you so
We
much.
want you to always be happy.
We want to try to do our best to give you a good life.
Amen.
We're going to try to work really hard to try to give you a good life. We'll do our best. Yeah, our word will do our best.